Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kyra J, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys how I repair my dry and damaged wig. I overprocessed this wig a while ago, and so from time to time it just gets so ridiculously dry and brittle. The ends are terrible, and yeah, it gets so dry that sometimes I can't even run my fingers through it. Like, look at that. Just terrible. I know, girl. I know. We're going to get you right, though. We're going to get you right. Because luckily for me, I have a two-step process I do whenever I want to replenish some moisture in my wigs. So if you want to learn how to replenish your wig, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start by washing the hair because if your hair is dirty and got product in it, it's always going to feel really dry and yucky. And I'm going to be using my Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo. This is from Organics. I'm not very picky on the shampoos I use on my wig. As long as it smells good is all I really care about. Just go and drizzle it on there. And a tip for you guys when you're washing your wig is to wash your hair in a downward fashion. What I mean by that is like pretty much what you see me doing here. I'm massaging the shampoo in the hair, but I'm also pulling it down. And this is going to be really helpful because like you just saw, once I wrung it out, all that dirt came out and I don't have any knots or tangles in the hair, and I'm also able to finger detangle the hair, just making the whole process really easy. And then when I rinse the hair, I'm doing the exact same thing. And I always wash my wigs at least 2 times just to make sure I got all of that dirt and product out of there.
Allow me to introduce myself.
So now it's time for the first step of the two-step process, aka the holy grail of deep conditioners, the Aussie 3-minute moist deep conditioner. I absolutely live by this stuff, you guys. It is my favorite deep conditioner ever, and we're going to use a lot. Like, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yep, that's it right there. And we're gonna put all of that in the hair, and we're gonna focus it on those dry, damaged ends. We're going to saturate the hair in this product. Still gliding our fingers through it to make sure that there are no tangles and that we get every single strand. And then even after all that, I still ended up adding more conditioner, which I probably didn't need to do. But girl, if y'all would have felt the hair, girl, dry ain't even the word. So I know the bottle says to leave it in for 3 minutes, but yeah, I don't follow directions when it comes to deep conditioners. So what I like to do, I like to put it in a plastic bag and I like to leave it in overnight. Now I know not everyone will be able to do this, so what you can do is either heat up the conditioner and do this, or you can put it in a hair dryer like I am now. I actually put it in the hair dryer for an hour first, and then I left it in overnight because I just like to get the maximum moisture that I can, but you can do either or. So this is what the hair looked like the next day when I rinsed it out. And now what I'm doing is just making sure I get as much water out of the hair as possible, just because you don't want your hair dripping all over the place, 1. And then 2, we have to add our second step.
Who knows what dastardly crime he might perpetrate next? He's a very clever one.
Okay, on to the second step. My baby right here is the one and only brand of Argan Oil. I love this stuff so much, you guys. I love that it's more of like a serum-y texture, so it's not like an olive oil or anything like that. It has a serum texture. It smells so good, and it moisturizes my hair really well whenever it's dry, both my real hair and my weave. I've been using this on my weave since I started wearing weave. And what I'm doing now is I'm just focusing it on my ends first, and then I'm distributing it out throughout my hair. You do want to be careful because sometimes I will put too much in my hair. A little goes a long way, but yeah, that's the only product I use in my weave and I highly recommend it. And you don't even have to wait till your hair is damp or wet to apply it. You literally can apply it when it's dry too. I like to, if I'm feeling like my ends are a little dry or a little tangly, or like if I'm done doing my hair and I want that extra luster and shine, is when I'll apply it too. So I personally don't like blow drying my hair when it's wet. I just think it's a lot of extra work. I like to let my hair dry overnight. God, Kyra. Dry overnight, and then the next day when it is dry, I'll blow dry it out a little bit if I feel like it, just to get it as straight as possible so it's easier for me to flat iron. And this is what the hair looked like when I finished straightening it. Y'all, my hair is so silky, soft, it's moisturized. Like, it doesn't even feel like I overprocessed it. It feels like brand new hair, I'm telling you. Like, look at the way it flows. Look at the way I'm feeling myself because of the way it flows. Like, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I've been doing this two-step process for a really long time, and it works like a charm every single time. So I really hope that it helps you guys if you guys decide to try it. If you do decide to try it, please let me know in the comment section how it worked out for you. I'm going to put all the products in the description box. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. And I love you, and I will see you later. Bye.